Hello my friends and welcome back. I'm Mohsen and you are watching to the new video of the MKR developer channel. In this video I'm going to talk about the recycler view. Here you have an example of the recycler view. Here you can see some items that are displayed just like each other in the main activity of an application. You can store different types of data in the recycler view, just like photos, text, checkbox, and everything you want. Normally you will see in the applications the recycler view in this shape, or just like grid view, similar blocks beside each other. Each item, each row of the recycler view has its own layout, and we have to design the layout. For example, here I have 3 text views and a constraint layout and the card view, and the recycler view doesn't hold any data itself. It has an RecyclerView Adapter. The adapter will take the data from a database and will put it into this layout as the pattern, as the shape, and then it will be displayed here in the recycler view. So today I'm going to show you how to do this. First of all, we are creating the layout of this recycler view. Then we are creating a data class to hold the data, and then we are creating the RecyclerView adapter to take data from the data class and store it into layout and display it into the main activity. Stay tuned to do this together. Let's go. For this I've created this project, and here in the activity_main I've added a recycler view and set the ID res view on it, and the recycler view is connected to the constraint. Then here I've clicked on this layout and new on the layout resource file, and then I've created here this list item.xml. By pressing OK, it will be created. And here I've designed this layout. I have a card view here. The card view has the width, match parent, and the height wrap content, margin 5 dps and elevation 8 dp, and the corner radius 10 dp. And then I've added this constraint layout inside this card view, and then inside this constraint layout I have the image view 100 dp to 100 dp, and with the left margin, a start margin 5 dp. Then I have 2 text views. First one for the name with the text size 20 dp, and the second one for the ingredients here. And it's a very simple layout that I've designed for single row of the recycler view. Let's go to the main activity and let's what we have here. Here I've initialized this image array and names array and ingredients array. Here are the images, these names, and the simple strings as the ingredients. And here in the drawable I've added these 6 photos, and you can see the photos. Okay, and also I've initialized the recycler view, and here as well recycle view is equals to find view by id or .id recycler view. And here I've initialized item array list of a class is called pizza, and as you see it's red, so we have to create this class as the data class. So here again on this package I'm going to right click, new Kotlin class and data class, and I'm going to call it pizza. Okay, now I have this class. I have to add 3 variables here. First of all, image title with a type of integer, then name with a type of a string, and then ingredients again with type of a string. This class doesn't have body, only the constructor. So we are done in this class, and now we have to add the adapter. And as I said, the adapter playing the role of the interface between the database and the view. So here again, Kotlin class file and class, and I'm going to call it res as the short for RecyclerView and adapter. The RecyclerView has some different parts, and each part plays a specific rule. So I'm going to add here 3 items as the first line of the class. First of all, I need a list, private variable, and I'm going to call it pizza list, value. The type is array list. Out of this pizza data class. Okay, then we have to describe the rule of this class to this class. So I'm going to add RecyclerView here dot adapter. Till now our class knows that it's playing the rule of adapter of the RecyclerView, and then I have to mention what is the holder of this the view holder of this RecyclerView. So it will be again this class recycler adapter dot view holder, which is an inner class, and we have to create it right now. Okay, so if I click on it, it gives me the option to create this class for me here in the recycler adapter. Okay, I can leave it like this or just write inner here to make it inner class. And now I have to pass here item view, with a type of view, and then again I have to mention extend that it's a RecyclerView view holder. And then I'm going to pass this item view. Yeah, that's everything for this class, and later we will add the items of this class inside. Now I'm going to click on this, click on the ball, and implement members. These are three overridden functions that we need them, all of them. We have to mark them and add them here. First of all, this get item count. As I said, each part of this adapter plays a rule, a specific rule. The rule of this overridden function, get item count, is to mention how many lines we have to create to display on the screen. So return pizza list dot size. The size of this array list will be here stored as the number of rows in our recycler view. Then here in the view holder, I have to initialize my widgets, the widgets that I've created here, like image view and these two text views. So TV name, short for text view name, and the type is text view, and the name is TV name. Okay, and here TV ing, short for ingredients, and here text view. Okay, now I've initialized all of the widgets here. Then here, this overridden function on create view holder will hold the view of this recycler view. So here I have to write layout inflator that from parent dot context and then dot inflate where the resource ID or dot layout dot list item, then again parent, and then false. So just like this, and then we have to return this item view back to the view holder class. Okay, Simply in these two lines, we have set this this list item layout that we have created as the layout of the row of our recycler view, and we pass it to this view holder. And now here on bind view holder, we'll set the data on our widgets. So here first I need a value. I'm calling it current item, and it equals to pizza list, and I'm going to pass the position. Simply means that whenever the recycler view, the view of it will be created, just like when we are opening the application, for each row, once the compiler will come here and check the data inside this function. If this position is for example 0, and on the beginning we are taking the 0 position of this array, 0 position of this array and this array, and we will store it into the data class, and then it will be displayed into the first row of the recycler view. And then we are going to the next. This position will be 1, and it will be 1 here, and so on till the end. And this one is the 5th one, and at the end this position will be 5. It will be stored here, and out of the all data the compiler will take this and this and this, and will be displayed on the last row of the recycler view on the screen. Now I have to set the data. So holder dot image title dot set image resource, and then this dot image title. For the next one, holder dot tv name dot text equals to current item dot name. And for the last one, holder dot tv ingredients dot text equals to current item dot ingredients. Everything is set. I have done everything here. I have a typo here, but doesn't matter as I see. Let's go to the main activity. In the main activity, now I have these items, and here I've created a function, and inside this function we will take the data here and pass them to the pizza.kt class, the data class. First of all, we have to write something for our recycler view. RecyclerView dot layout manager equals to linear layout manager, and I'm going to pass this. Then RecyclerView dot set as fixed size, and it will be true. And then here item list is equal to array list of. Okay, Now we have to go to this class. Sorry, this function. For I in image id dot indices, and instead of this image id you can use names or ingredients, no matter one of these arrays we are using, and it will be just simply 6, as we have only 6 items here. And then now we have to create a pizza. So pizza equals to the data class pizza, then image id, I'm going to pass character I, then name, and again I, and then ingredients, and again I. And item list array dot add our created pizza will go to the oven. Okay, here after this get data we have to set the adapter on our recycler view. So RecyclerView dot adapter equals to the recycler adapter, and then I have to pass this item array list, this one, and I think everything is set. So let's check it on the emulator. Okay, these are our data and it works like a charm. Okay, that was everything about displaying data in the recycler view, and in the next video I will show you how to handle item click listener event. If you satisfied of this video and you want to financially support me, please click on the link down below in the description and buy me a coffee. If you find this video interesting, please remember to share it with your friends and give me a thumbs up. And if you have any question, please write down in the comment box below and I will be so happy to answer to your questions. Remember to subscribe to the channel for new videos. Have a good time. See you in next videos. Bye bye.